I'd be shocked. I've gotten a lot of questions on, sir, will JAMB repeat questions, or the questions and answer sections I do, you normally ask, is this the real questions that will come out? Does JAMB repeat the questions? This is something that you people have been asking, and I want you to just pay attention to this video because it will shock you. It will shock you. JAMB, JAMB is a very professional body, and when it comes to their questions, there is a way they handle it. They repeat question, they don't repeat question. I will explain. Year in, year out, there have always been arguments regarding whether JAMB repeats past questions, right? But before we even continue, if you watch this particular video from beginning to the end, I'm going to know that you are serious, and I'm going to do you a favor. I'm going to give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past questions. Free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past questions on the 4 subjects we'll be writing. On the 4 subjects we'll be writing, I'll give it to you free if you watch this video from beginning to the end. Why some are convinced that JAMB does repeat their questions? Many are convinced, and some are confused. But the truth is that both ideas are correct. Both those party A saying that JAMB repeats question and party B saying that JAMB does not repeat question. Everybody is correct. And here is why. It will shock you. JAMB repeats past questions. You see, I've been doing a lot of past questions on Lucky Headmaster, on use of English, on chemistry, physics, mathematics, economics. All those subjects will be writing. I've been doing biology. I've done videos on them. So if you say that JAMB will repeat those questions, you are right. If you also say that JAMB will not repeat those questions, you are right. This is because JAMB will repeat their questions, but this is an important but JAMB will modify the question. JAMB is a serious professional exam, so the exam is not set by children. It's not set by your teacher in your secondary school or the person teaching in the lesson center. Most of the time, they are set by seasoned professors, seasoned authors, even some lecturers, right? So JAMB repeats questions, but they modify it. And let me give you an example and evidence. JAMB does repeat past questions, but often with modification to make them appear fresh. So they will repeat the question, but they will adjust it, they will tweak it in such a way that when you encounter the question, you may not even know that it is the same question you have been encountering. They will tweak it, but following our YouTube channel and the guideline I have been giving you, all these videos I've been doing, when you see any twisted question, you should know, right? That is the essence of all the videos I've been giving you on past questions, on those other subjects. Let me give you evidence 1. Flexible. Some evidence that prove JAMB repeats question. Flexible. The word flexible, the question on this word flexible was used in 1986 and 2012, right? Look at question number 1, number 26, 1986. Jack was most flexible in his instruction. I think we have done a past question on this. Jack was most flexible in his instruction. Then this word opposite in meaning. Rigid. Then underlying word is flexible. Rigid, correct, stiff, upright. Of course, the answer is rigid, right? Now, the man came back and repeated the question in 2012. The principal was advised to be flexible on critical issues. Can you now see that they are bringing the same flexible but not the same sentence? Is it clear? Here, they use Mr. Jack, but in 2012, they use the principal. It is still the same answer, rigid. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay, let me give you another example. At the end of this video, remind me to give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past questions. Look at this word. Remember, the examples we are giving are all on use of English, but they also use the same method, repeating questions but modifying it both in every other subject, including mathematics. The term evasive answers appeared in question 31 of 1985 and question 65 of 1997. Many untrustworthy students gave evasive answers to questions which they fully understand. That is 1985. Then I came down again and said, the lawyer in 1997, these are just two examples. There are so many years in 2000s where they also use this particular question, evasive. The lawyer gave evasive answers to all the questions. So you can see they are repeating evasive, but they are using it in different ways, right? So it helps you to follow the past questions I've been giving you, because these same things will come out, but they will twist it. Do you get? If you want me to give you a link to all the videos we have done on Lekki Headmaster, on English language, on biology, just tell me and I'll share them with you at the end of this video. The idiom heart in his mouth, yes, we have done this in the past questions we treated in biology. The idiom heart in his mouth, JAMB like setting this one, was repeated in both the 1978 and 2006 JAMB. Look at question 28, 1978. He spoke with his heart in his mouth. Right? Then they came back again in 2006. They now say he has no reason to have his heart in his mouth. Can you see? It is the same thing. It is the same thing, but they will twist it a bit. Just follow me. Let me give you another shocking example. The word sumptuous was, they have repeated this word 3 times. 2001, 2005, 2012. It might even come out this year. The village girl wore sumptuous clothes. That was used in 2001. They came back again in 2005 and said, some people consider the leather upholstery antique rocks a bit sumptuous. Are you seeing it? They now came down again to 2012 and said, Isu and Ilu ate sumptuous meals in their brother's wedding day. Can you see the trick now? Can you see the trick now? So even though they will not repeat it exactly the way you want, but they will twist it. So the more JAMB past questions you do, both in biology, in chemistry, use of English, economics, literature, mathematics, any subject you are writing, the more past questions you encounter, the more likely you are to encounter them in your own exam. That is why I'm giving you free JAMB past question. That is why you need to go over to our channel and watch all the videos we have done treating past questions. That is also why you need to go over to our channel and watch all the videos I've given you free of charge on the JAMB novel. Remember, like I always say, I will keep sounding this like a warning, that in this your exam, you don't have time. You don't have time, right? By that I mean, when you enter the hall, you have only 2 hours, 120 minutes. Then you have 180 questions. Can you imagine? It means you have less than 1 minute to attempt each question. You have less than 1 minute to attempt each question. That is why you need to prepare. I've told you, stop partying, stop playing, don't be deceived on social media. Anything that will take away your time, pause it, divorce it for now. Focus on preparing for JAMB. After you score 300 and above, our goal for you in this channel is that you must score 300 and above. Do you claim it? If you claim it, type I claim it under the comment section. 300 and above, tell me I claim it in the comment section. So forget every other thing. Let us focus and write this JAMB once and for all, so that you will get admission, focus on your enter university or polytechnic or college of education, right? So no playing. To get the JAMB syllabus free and the JAMB past questions from me free of charge, just do three things for me. Like this video. Just like this video, then share this video. Share it on YouTube, click on share, copy the link, share that link on WhatsApp, share it on all the Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter groups you belong to where JAMB candidate. Share with all your classmates, people writing JAMB, right? Then, most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified. So when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment under this video, type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. When you comment I have subscribed and I see your comment, I will chat you up and send those materials to you free of charge, right? Okay, there's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.